Welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel 1F balance sales assignment. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment ready by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me either through WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email is given in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is also showing at the bottom of the screen. If you want me to do your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, programming assignments, finance, accounting, you can contact me and you can hire me for your courses. I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and you can also hire me throughout your degree for your courses, and I will be producing A grade for you in your courses. So in this video, I will be doing this assignment step by step, and if you want to do your assignments, you can do by watching this complete video. So let's move to the instruction file and start this assignment step by step. So title of the assignment is Excel 1F balance sheet. In start of the instruction, you can see the project description. In the following project, you will create a worksheet summarizing the sales of the balance and stabilization equipment that profit Merita in the marketing. So main part of the assignment is these steps. Total steps to solve in this assignment are 16, and we are required to solve those steps to make this assignment ready for the submission. So let's move to step number 1. Step number 1 is open the file student Excel 1F balance sales downloaded with this project. So step number 1 is saying that we are supposed to download this Excel worksheet. So this is the workbook that we are supposed to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the formulas and all the functions to this workbook, and we will solve this assignment in this workbook. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. So we will move to next part, that is step number 2. So step number 2 is saying that merge and center the title and then subtitle across the column A to F and apply the title and heading 1 cell style respectively. So first we are supposed to merge and center the title, then we will merge and center the subtitle, then we are supposed to apply the title style to the title, and then we are supposed to apply the heading 1 style to the subtitle. So we will go to the worksheet. So we will select A up to F column. This is the title, and we will go to the home tab, and in alignment tab you can see merge and center. So click on this. Now like this we are supposed to merge and center the subtitle. So we will again select the subtitle and click merge and center. And now we are supposed to apply title style to the title and heading 1 style to the subtitle. So let's select this title, go to the cell styles and select title style for this one. And now for the subtitle we are supposed to apply the heading 1 style. So where is heading 1? This one. And that is all required in step number 2. So we are done with step number 2. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is make cell A1 the active cell and then check spelling in your worksheet. Correct slide to slide, side to slide, widen column A to 180 pixel and widen column B to F to 95 pixel. If any column are too narrow to display all the data, apply autofill to the columns. So we are supposed to make column A active, cell A active, and then we are supposed to check spelling. So we will go to the review tab and check spelling in the worksheet. So we are supposed to make it and we are done with the spell check. So next thing to do is, okay, widen column A to 180 pixel. So this is column A and we are supposed to make it 180 pixel and 180, 180. So it is 180 pixel now. Leave it. Now next thing to do is widen column B to F to 95 pixel. So we will select B up to F and we are supposed to make it 95 pixel. So it is 95 pixel now. So that is all. So if any columns are too narrow to display all the data, apply autofill to the columns. Let me see. So this is 2-fit column A and we will make it autofill and it is autofill now. It is autofill now. So that is all required in step number 3. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is in cell E4, construct a formula to calculate the total sales of the balance below by multiplying the quantity sold times the rental price. Copy the formula down for the remaining product. So in this step, we are supposed to construct a formula to calculate the total sales in E4, this one. And E4, we can do this by multiplying the quantity sold, this one, times the retail price. If we multiply the quantity sold by the retail price, we will get the total sales. And copy the formula down to the column. So let me put equal sign and we are supposed to multiply the quantity sold with retail price. We will get the total sales. So these are the total sales for the balance below. Now we are supposed to copy the formula down to the column to get the other values. So use the autofill handle and we got the other values. So total sales for all product we get like this. And that is all required in step number 4. So we have completed step number 4 as well. And now we're going to do next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is select the range E4 up to E10 and then use a quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all product. Select the range E4 up to E10 and then use a quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all the product, which will be formatted in bold to the total in cell E11 and apply the total sales type. So now we are supposed to select this range and then we are supposed to use the quick analysis tool to sum all of these total sales, these one in E11. And let me select the range first. And this is the quick analysis tool. And we are supposed to sum all of the product. Let me look here if we can do it from here. Sum. Sum. We got the sum for this one by using the quick analysis tool. It is already permitted as board, but we are supposed to apply the total cell style to cell E11. So select cell E11, go to the home tab and go to the cell style and apply the total cell style. So total cell style has been applied to cell E11, and that is all required in step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 6. So let me move to next step, that is step number 6. So step number 6 is using the absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula. In cell F4, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sales for the first product. Copy the formula down to the remaining product. So we are supposed to calculate the percent of total sales for all these products, these one, and we can do this by dividing the total sales for any product divided by the total of the total sales, this one. So when we are going to calculate percent of total sales for the balance below, we will divide the total sales of the balance below divided by the total of the total sales, but we are supposed to use we got the total sales for this one. You can see that we used absolute cell references for cell E11 by using the dollar sign here, so that E11 is being used with every formula, but only the relative value of the product is changing. Like C4, this one is E4 divided by E11, this will be E5 divided by E11, and this will be E6 divided by E11. So we got the percent of the total sales by dividing the total sales of that product by the total of the total sales. So we got these values. So that is all required in step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps of this assignment. And I am doing this assignment step by step so that you can solve this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can hire me to do this assignment for you or to do this complete course for you. And now I will move to next step, that will be step number 7, sorry. So step number 7 is here. To the computed percentage, apply the percentage style with 2 decimal places and then center the percentages. So in step number 6, we calculated the percentages of the products, but now we are supposed to apply the percentage style, and we will apply 2 decimal places to all those percentages. So we will select all the percentages from here, and we are supposed to apply the percentage style. We will select the percentage style with 2 decimal places as required here. So we will make it 2 decimal places and we will get the result like this one. And that is all required in step number 7. So we are done with 7 steps of this assignment so far. And now we will move to next step, that is step number 8. So step number 8 is apply the comma style with no decimal places to quantity sold figures. To cell D4, E4, E11, apply the accounting number format. So quantity sold figures are these one, and we are supposed to apply the comma style with no decimal places. So we will apply the comma styles to this one, and we will decrease the decimal places to 0. So comma style has been applied to this one. And next we are supposed to apply the counting number format to these 3 cells, D4, E4 and E11. D4 is this one, apply accounting number format, and then E4 apply accounting number format, and then E11 is this one, and we are supposed to apply accounting number format to this one as well. And that is all required in step number 8. So I have completed 8 steps in this video. I explained all those 8 steps so that you can do your assignment by watching this complete video. But as I said earlier, if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me and I will be doing this assignment for you. So after showing these 8 complete steps, for remaining 6 steps, I will just give you an overview, starting from step 9 up to step number 15. So for these steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. So let me show you the final version for this. So this will be the final version for this assignment. When you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. So I have done this assignment hundreds of the time for my students. And if you want me to produce best grade for you in this assignment, or if you want me to produce best grade in all your courses, you can contact me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can either contact me on email or WhatsApp. So this is the final version for this assignment after applying all the remaining steps. I have completed 8 complete steps, and for the remaining steps, I am just giving you an overview and showing you the final version of this assignment. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video and comments to my video. Thank you so much again.